Comprehensive IT services, your strategic advantage. In the quest for digital excellence, your choice of IT services is your strategic advantage. Begin your journey with our migration planning service. Navigate the complexities of digital transformation with precision and foresight. Secure your operations with our cyber recovery and auditing. Proactive protection and comprehensive audits keep you one step ahead of threats. Our project management expertise ensures your initiatives are delivered on time, within scope, and beyond expectations. Experience seamless implementation and benefit from our migration factory, where efficiency meets innovation. Stay informed with our monitoring services for network and hybrid cloud environments, paired with strategic management and design. Leverage our consulting prowess to unlock new opportunities and tap into our vast resources to fulfill your operational needs. With our as-a-service offerings, you gain a partner dedicated to your success. Migration, recovery, management, we provide it all. Managed services cover data center, unified communications, networking, security, applications, and cloud support. Your journey to the forefront of IT services begins here. Any service, any challenge, anytime. Explore the possibilities with our service.